Excellent evening. Myself Ananta, Managing Director of Transgear Electrical Service Private Limited. Before undergoing BTA course, I was a sort of conservative businessman without any vision or goals and doing all the work myself, and the entire business revolved around me. However, after completing the BTA course and implementing all the marketing and the business techniques, whatever I learnt in BTA, I was able to transform my company from boss-centric to organization. This has helped me to expand the business, to achieve higher growth, time management, and customer satisfaction. I thank Satya sir and BTA for the excellent support and guidance. Thank you.
Excellent evening. I am Saraswati. I am doing food-related business. BTA is a platform which takes an ordinary businessman into a tycoon level. Our master coach Satya sir sections are very motivating and giving inspiration and help us to come out of our comfort zone and makes our business successful. Thank you BTA, thank you Satya sir. Because of you, I am on this dais today. Thank you.
Hi, lovely people of Bangalore. Excellent evening. Myself, T.G. Anand, CEO and owner of an event management company called Team Universe. As a process in this business mastery course, we learned a lot of things. And out of that, I want to share with you two things which changed in my life. Number one is opening of my new branch office at Jayanagar first block, and the second one is bringing in a new technology or new staging equipment from America, which happens to be only the third person in the country to have it in Bangalore. This was possible because I was able to understand what is called risk management or what is called calculative risk, and also completing the task on time without wasting the time. Every time the task has to be completed within that time. This thing was imbibed in us. And because of this, my turnover has been increased by 200% compared to the last year. And this all happened because of this course. Thank you very much for being over here and sharing those joyous moments of our life. This is one of the special moments of our life, and you are all of you are here to share this occasion. And thank you, BTA. Thank you, Satya sir.
Excellent evening. Myself, Aruna Armalagi, LIC's Business Recruitment Officer. From BTA, I learned how to set up business vision, strategy, planning, and achievement, and especially motivating my team to achieve their personal and financial goals. BTA has empowered me as a successful business entrepreneur. From last year to this year, my business has grown 300%. Thank you, BTA. Thank you, Satya sir.
Excellent evening. Myself Asha Loknath, Director of Jupiter Design Technologies Private Limited. We are offering services to Indian defense and space sector. After joining BTA, I have taken my business into organization level. And BTA taught us how to do multiple business. And I can proudly say BTA is a platform where we can achieve our goals in short period of time. Thank you Satya sir, and thank you BTA.
Excellent evening. I was a businessman since almost 20 years, and association with Consumax was started in 2010, and this BTA started last year, and whole year I was under BTA care, and I had a big ambition that I should make products for the world market. And so as the BTA helped me a lot in planning and getting courage to talk to people, and since last 2 years my products are being exported, and I have been to USA last 2 years for ophthalmic medical exhibition, and this year also my product is being displayed, even the event is happening now, and I'm very happy that I got very much systematic business running information from this BTA, and I'm into my global vision. Thank you BTA, and thank you Satya sir.
Excellent evening. This was a dream and I achieved it. Thank you Satya sir. My name is Geeta and I used to own a salon for 20 years. And today, from a salon to a trainer, that is, I own a handcraft studio academy. So I train and I run a business that is completely different from a salon. So I am so thankful to Mr. Satya and BTA for giving me this opportunity here. Thank you.
I am Ramchandra Rao, retired bank manager. Recently, I started my business and want to expand and diversify my business lines. I am so much benefited after completion of this business mastery course, and also by reading some business books like 16 Business Secrets, Sell Well, like so on. And I am very thankful to BTA and Sri Satya sir for this opportunity given to me. Thanks.
ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ರಾಜೇಶ್, ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಮಿತ್. BTA 1 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ 1 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಂತ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ. ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ಕೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇವಾಗ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಇವಾಗ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೊಸ ಹೊಸ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ತುಂಬ ಕಲಿಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅದನ್ನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸತ್ಯ ಸರ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ನಾನು ಕಲಿಸಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್.